Good morning, children. I hope all are keeping fine. Today, let us start the new chapter Linear Equation in One Variable. Earlier classes, we have learned about algebraic expressions and equations. What do you mean by algebraic expressions? It is a combination of variables and constants by using the four mathematical operations. Some of the examples of algebraic expressions are shown here. 5x, 2x minus 3, 3x plus y, 2xy plus 5, xyz plus x plus y plus z, x square plus 1, y plus y square. These are some examples of algebraic expressions. From these all expressions, we can see that some of the variables and constants we multiplied or divided or subtracted or added together. For example, first example is 5x. How do you get 5x? 5 is a constant and x is a variable. These two we multiplied together and we got the expression 5x. Second one, 2x minus 3. That is also same like that. 2x and minus 3 we combine together. That is 2 into x minus 3. And what is the difference between algebraic expression and an equation? Some of the examples of equations are also shown here. First one is 5x is equal to 25. And another one example is 2x minus 3 is equal to 9. Here, two expressions are connected together by an equality sign. 5x is equal to 25. 5x is one expression, 25 is another expression. That two expressions we combined by an equality sign. Of these given expressions, many have more than one variable. For example, 2xy plus 5 has two variables. Here, we are considering equations having expressions with only one variable. Moreover, the expressions we use to form equations are linear. This means that the highest power of the variable appearing in the expression is 1. Now, let us see what are linear expressions and what are not a linear expression. These are some examples of linear expression. 2x, 2x plus 1, 3y minus 7, 12 minus 5z, 5 by 4 into x minus 4 plus 10, etc. Okay, let us see some other expressions which are not linear. For example, x square plus 1, y plus y square, 1 plus z square plus z cube. In these all examples, its power of the variable is more than 1. For example, x square plus 1, its degree or power is 2. Y plus y square, it has two terms, y and y square. Y's power is 1 and y square power is 2. The highest power of the variable is 2. Therefore, it is not linear. Next one, 1 plus z square plus z cube. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. It is also having 4 terms, but the highest power of the term is 3. Therefore, it is also not linear. Here, we will deal with equations with linear expressions in one variable only. Such equations are known as linear equation in one variable. The simple equations which you have learned in earlier classes were all of in this type. Thus, we have seen that an algebraic expression is an equality involving variable. It has an equality sign. The expressions on the left of the equality sign is called LHS and the expression on the right of the equality sign is called RHS. One example is shown there. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. Which is the variable? X is the variable. Is it an equation? Yes, there is an equality sign. Therefore, 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 is an equation. What is LHS of that equation? The expression 2x minus 3 is the LHS and 7 is the RHS. In an equation, the value of the expressions on the LHS and RHS are equal. This happens to be true only for certain value of the variable. This value of the variable which satisfies the equation is called the solution of the equation. Let us take one example. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7 is an algebraic equation. Among this one, 2x minus 3 is the LHS. When x is equal to 1, what's the value of the LHS? 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to the RHS. Therefore, the x is equal to 1 is not a solution. Let us find out another value. X is equal to 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, which is also not equal to 7. Like that, we have seen that when x is equal to 5, the equation satisfies. That is 2 into 5 minus 3. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 5 is the solution of the equation. Then, how to find the solution of an equation? We assume that the two sides of the equation are balanced. We perform the same mathematical operations on both sides of the equation so that the balance is not disturbed. Solving equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on other side. Example 1. Find the solution of 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. In all cases, trial and error method is very difficult to solve equations. For that, let us find out a method for finding out the solution. Okay, for this question, we can add 3 on both sides. Then LHS becomes 2x minus 3 plus 3 and RHS becomes 7 plus 3. Okay, which implies 2x is equal to 10. Now, what is the next step? Next, we need to divide 2 on both sides. Then only you will get x alone in one side. That is 2x by 2 is equal to 10 by 2, which implies x is equal to 5. Now, directly we got the value of the variable x as 5. Therefore, the solution of the equation is 5. Okay, one more example we can discuss. Solve 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Transposing 9 to RHS, what comes, children? 2y is equal to 4 minus 9. Therefore, it becomes 2y is equal to negative 5. Now, we have to isolate y. Therefore, what we need to do? We have to divide both sides by 2. Therefore, this becomes y is equal to negative 5 by 2. Therefore, the solution of the equation is y is equal to negative 5 by 2. You can check your answer. Is it correct or wrong? For that, substitute the value of this variable in LHS and RHS. Here LHS, while we are substituting, what comes here? 2 into negative 5 by 2 plus 9. Okay, it becomes 2 and 2 can be cancelled and the remaining factor is negative 5 only. Negative 5 plus 9. What is negative 5 plus 9? Is equal to positive 4. Yes, RHS also positive 4. Yes, our answer is correct. The solution of this equation is negative 5 by 2. Example 3. Solve x by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equal to negative 3 by 2. Here also one variable x in LHS, RHS is a fraction or a rational number. Here what we need to do? Our aim is to isolate x in one side and all other factor or all other terms we have to transpose to other side, RHS. For that, first, which is the term having the variable x? x by 3. X by 3 we can leave here, and 5 by 2 of the LHS we can transpose to the right hand side. Then the second step becomes x by 3 is equal to negative 3 by 2 already there in right hand side, and positive 5 by 2 while transposing to RHS it becomes negative 5 by 2. Therefore, x by 3 is equal to negative 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is equal to negative 8 by 2. We got x by 3 is equal to negative 4. We need to find out the value of x. Then again we need to isolate x alone. What is the next step? Here x is divided by 3 is equal to negative 4. Therefore, x is equal to negative 4 into 3. That division, while transposing it comes as multiplication. Isn't it, children? Therefore, x is equal to negative 4 into 3 is equal to negative 12. Therefore, the solution of this equation is negative 12. Later we can check whether your answer is correct or wrong by substituting the value of x in this equation. While substituting LHS, we will get the value as negative 3 by 2. Then RHS also negative 3 by 2. Therefore, our answer is correct. Solve 15 by 4 minus 7x is equal to 9. In this equation, 7x, negative 7x is the term which is having the variable x. We need to isolate negative 7x in one side and 15 by 4 to be transposed to the other side, which implies negative 7x is equal to 9 minus 15 by 4, because LHS 15 by 4 was positive, while transposing it comes as negative. Therefore, our new equation is negative 7x is equal to 9 minus 15 by 4, which implies negative 7x is equal to 21 by 4. Again, we need to isolate x in LHS. For that, we have to transpose negative 7 to the right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to 21 by 4 divided by negative 7, which is equal negative 21 by 28. Therefore, x is equal to negative 3 by 4. The solution of the equation is negative 3 by 4. Let us check our solution is correct or wrong. For that, we have to substitute negative 3 by 4 in LHS, and we will get it as 15 by 4 minus 7 into negative 3 by 4. It becomes 15 by 4 plus 7 3s are 21, and negative into negative become positive. Therefore, plus 21 by 4 is equal to 36 by 4, which is equal 9. Yes, RH is also 9. Therefore, our answer is correct. I hope all of you are familiar to do exercise 2.1 yourself. All of you try this exercise yourself. I think you can do it very easily. Okay, before doing this one in your notebook, you have to write down the notes of slide 3 and slide 4, okay, in your notebook, and then you can write down this exercise 2.1 yourself. The next class, we are going to study some application level of this linear equation. Means we have to do some questions, word problem we have to do. First, we have to transform the word problem into a simple equation, and then we have to solve it. Such questions we have done in class 7. I think you can do these questions yourself. For that, just to recollect that all topics by doing these word problems which I am going to give. Okay, 10 questions I am giving, and try to do these questions yourself. Okay, if you have any doubt, next class, first itself we will discuss this all 10 questions, and then only we are going to start the new topic. Therefore, all must do these questions yourself. Okay, children. Thank you.